Dear students, today I want to tell you a story about an IAS officer whose journey is not just about success, but about the deep commitment to public service. This is the story of Amit Kataria, a name that stands as a beacon of dedication, sincerity, and ethical governance. Amit Kataria, a 2004 cadre IAS officer, is widely known for his efficiency, honesty, and pragmatic approach to governance. Hailing from Delhi NCR, he secured the 18th rank in the prestigious UPSC Civil Services examination in 2003. But what makes him stand out is not just his rank or career achievements, it is his decision to take a salary of just 1 rupee during a significant phase of his service. Yes, you heard it right. At a time when people chase financial gains, Amit Kataria made a bold statement. His service was for the nation, not for personal enrichment. His decision to accept a token salary of 1 rupee was not just symbolic. It was a message that true public servants prioritize duty over personal wealth. But before we get into his career, let's take a look at his journey. Kataria completed his schooling at Delhi Public School, R.K. Puram, and later pursued electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Delhi. His academic brilliance and leadership qualities made him an outstanding officer from the very beginning. Throughout his career, Kataria held several influential positions, including serving as a district collector in multiple districts of Chhattisgarh. In 2015, while he was the collector of Bastar, his work in the National Literacy Mission was recognized and honored by the Government of India. His tenure was marked by initiatives aimed at improving literacy rates and providing educational opportunities to underprivileged children, showcasing his people-first approach to governance. Despite his vast personal wealth, his net worth is estimated to be 8.90 crore rupees. Kataria never let material success define his purpose. His lifestyle remained simple, and his administrative decisions always prioritized the needs of the people over bureaucratic formalities. His journey is defined by both dedication and controversy, earning him the title of Dabang Officer, bestowed upon him by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi. While serving as the district collector of Bastar, he faced a show-cause notice for meeting the Prime Minister while wearing sunglasses, an incident that sparked a debate on protocol versus practicality. Yet, his steadfast commitment to public service overshadowed the controversy, ultimately winning the Prime Minister's admiration. Modi himself hailed him as a Dabang officer, recognizing his fearless leadership and unwavering focus on serving the people beyond bureaucratic formalities. In his personal life, Amit Kataria is married to Asmita Hondi, a commercial pilot. Their journey reflects a blend of professional success and personal fulfillment, but what truly defines Kataria is his unwavering commitment to public service. So, dear students, what can we learn from Amit Kataria? Success is not just about wealth or rank, but about purpose and service. Integrity and honesty will always define your legacy more than power or position. Leadership is about balancing rules with real impact. Protocol matters, but people matter more. Selflessness and dedication to duty will always make you a true role model. As you prepare for the IAS exam, remember that cracking UPSC is not just about becoming an officer, it is about becoming a servant of the people. Your rank will only be a number, but your work, your values, and your impact will define you. Take inspiration from Amit Kataria and strive to serve the nation with sincerity, commitment, and an unshakable moral compass. The country needs officers like him. The country needs officers like you. Jai Hind.